Quran 4 verse 34. Allah mentions 3 duties for us as a man. If you want to be a righteous husband, you must fulfill these 3 duties. What are they? Quran 4 verse 34. Allah Azza wa Jalla says, "Ar-rijalu qawwamuna 'ala an-nisa." Men are the maintainers and protectors of women. Bima faddala Allahu ba'dahum 'ala ba'd. Because of what Allah has granted one of them, the strength over the other. We are emotionally stronger than women as men. And we are physically stronger than women. We have to use this strength, emotional strength, physical strength, we have to use it to the advantage of our wives, not to their disadvantage. We use our strength to their advantage, not to their disadvantage. And Allah says, and because of the wealth you spend on your wives. Because of your wealth and your strength, Allah says, I have appointed you to be qawamun over women. What is qawama? Qawama means 1. Financial support for your wife. 2. Protection of your wife. 3. Leadership over your wife. These are the 3 things. You may say provision, protection, and direction. Your first obligation as a man in marriage that you must fulfill as you observe your 5 daily prayers is that you must support your wife financially. You must support her financially. When a woman is married, what's to eat? What's to wear? Where to live? Is your responsibility as a man. All our financial needs are your responsibility as a man. When you do it, you are fulfilling a religious obligation, even though it is towards your wife. It's an act of worship with which Allah is very pleased, and you are going to get great rewards.